This will demonstrate a very useful pattern in practicing the 4 types of triads, starting with the major triad. Play the major triad, for example, C-E-G, C major. From the major triad, you can raise the 5th to get to the augmented triad. So we're going to raise the 5th. And now we have an augmented triad, and that's C, E, G sharp. So from major to augmented. Now lower the 5th back down to go back to major. And now we're back at our major triad. Now from here we can lower the 3rd. And now we'll have our minor triad. That's C, E flat, G. So major, augmented, back to major. Now lower the 3rd to minor. Now from here you can easily get to your diminished triad by lowering the 5th. So now we lower the 5th, and that's the diminished triad of C. C, E flat, G flat. So from major, you raise the 5th to get to augmented, return to major, lower the 3rd to get to minor, and then you lower the 5th to get your diminished triad. Notice I use fingers 1, 3, and 5 for every chord. Major, augmented, major, minor, diminished. You can do this on any key. If you start with your major chord, your major triad. So if we start from D major, that would be D, F sharp, A, D major. Now to get to the D augmented, just raise the 5th, always just by half step. So that's D, F sharp, A sharp. And then to get back to major, we're just changing the A back to A natural. Now to turn D major into D minor, we lower that 3rd in the middle. So that would be D, F, A, D minor. And now to make it diminished, lower the 5th a half step. D, F, A flat. So the whole pattern, D major, D augmented, raise the 5th, back to D major by lowering that 5th, then lower the 3rd to D minor, and then D diminished.